Hey everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'd just like to have a little chat about this Mercedes fridge van here. It was originally a Centre Parks vehicle, which is why it's so low in the miles. The vehicle's only covered 16,000 miles, and obviously it's the fridge van there. It was a green one, as per their colours, but we managed to negotiate a good package so we could colour change this professionally to white throughout. So here it is in lovely clean condition. If you look inside here, you can see for a vehicle of its year, it's absolutely amazing condition. Proper colour change was done as well, so there were the door shuts everywhere. Let's just show you inside the fridge. So super clean condition. Works a treat, I've had it running. So on the front you've got parking sensors, and on the rear you've also got parking sensors. Also got a tow bar there should you choose to pull something with it. Both rear opening doors. So having just gone through a colour change, obviously the body works in exceptional condition. And there we have what's probably the cleanest Mercedes fridge van of its year available for sale in the UK today. Thank you very much for watching.